Welcome back to Market Headline. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, Jakarta Composite Index was open at the level of 7,075.36 and then approaching the closing time in the first session. The index was on the level of 7,099.89. And then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,098.89 and in short, JCI went up 0.61%. And next we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got energy as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 2.17%. Transportation and logistics went up 1.94%. Industry went down 0.9% and technology went down 0.68%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BBRI went up 0.43% to 4,650 rupiah per share. BBCA went up 0.57% to 8,800 rupiah per share. BMRI went up 3.43% to 10,550 rupiah per share, and Bumi went up 3.85% to 189 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Telkom went down 1.35% to 4,390 rupiah. Unilever Indonesia went down 6.83% to 4,640 rupiah. PNLF went down 4.51% to 635 rupiah, and Mika went down 5.8% to 2,760 rupiah per share. And we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,529 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at the level of 15,570. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.26%. In line with the growth in sales, Unilever Indonesia reported a net profit of 4.61 trillion rupiah as of the end of the third quarter of 2022, or grew by 5% year-on-year. Unilever Indonesia reported a net profit of 4.61 trillion rupiah as of the end of the third quarter of 2022, up 5.3% compared to last year's 4.37 trillion rupiah. The increase in profit was in line with the growth in sales. During the 9-month period of 2022, Unilever accumulated sales of 31.53 trillion rupiah, an increase of 5% on an annual basis compared to 30.02 trillion rupiah in the same period in the previous year. The household and body care segments were the biggest sales contributors, with a value of 20.83 trillion rupiah during January-September 2022. This sales value rose 3.91% compared to the same period last year. Meanwhile, the food and beverage segment posted sales of 10.7 trillion, or grew 7.27% year-on-year. President Director of Unilever Indonesia, Ira Noviarty, said that the company's competitiveness strengthened in the third quarter of 2022. Based on Nielsen's report, with market share growing compared to the previous quarter, both in value and volume. IDX Channel reports.